Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will explain what Microsoft OneDrive is and how to use it step by step. This video is for beginners, students, and office users who want to store and manage their files in the cloud. By the end of this video, you will know how to upload files, organize folders, sync OneDrive with your computer, and share files securely from anywhere. Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud storage service provided by Microsoft. It allows you to store your files, photos, and documents online instead of only on your computer. Cloud storage means your data is saved on secure internet servers, so you can access your files anytime, from any device, as long as you have an internet connection.
To use Microsoft OneDrive, you need a Microsoft account. In my last video, I have showed you how to create an Outlook account. From that, you can access OneDrive. With a free account, OneDrive provides basic cloud storage that's suitable for personal use and everyday file storage. Microsoft also offered paid OneDrive storage plans that provide more space. Additional features included Microsoft 365 subscriptions. OneDrive Personal is designed for individual users and families, while OneDrive for Business designed for companies and organizations, offering advanced security and collaboration features. To create a folder, go to Create or Upload and give a file name to the folder, and folder will create under My Files. Uploading files and folders to OneDrive is simple and quick. First, you can upload files manually. Second, you can upload entire folders. Select Upload Folder and choose folder you want to store in OneDrive. Third, you can drag and drop method. I am using drag and drop method for this video. Simply drag files or folders from your computer and drop them into OneDrive window. OneDrive supports most common file types like documents, photos, videos, and PDFs. While free accounts have a storage limit of 5 GB, you can always upgrade to paid plan and get more space. To create a folder, go to Create or Upload. Organizing your files in OneDrive is easy. Helps you find what you need quickly. Rename files or folders. Right-click on a file or folder, select Rename and type the new name. You can move or delete files, drag files or move them into another folder, or right-click and select Delete to remove them. You can use the OneDrive application to sync your files automatically. First, sign in using your Microsoft account, then choose the folders what to sync. In this example, I am syncing my desktop and document folders. Finally, OneDrive has search feature. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find files or folders by name or content. Here are some useful tips and best practices to get most out of OneDrive. First, organize your files by creating folders using clear names so you can easily find what you need. Second, use sharing carefully. Share files with only people who need to access and set permission to view or edit as required. Third, regularly check your storage, remove unnecessary files, or upgrade your plan if needed to ensure you always have enough space. Finally, keep your OneDrive app updated and make use of autosave and backup features to protect your important files automatically. Common problem and fixes. First, if syncing is not working, check your internet connection and make sure you are signed into your Microsoft account. You can also restart OneDrive app to resolve minor issues. Second, if your storage is full, you can delete unnecessary files or upgrade to a large storage plan. Third, if your files fail to upload, check your file size and type. OneDrive supports most common files, but very large files may need to split or compressed. That's it for this complete guide to Microsoft OneDrive. Now you know what OneDrive is, how to upload and organize files, sync with your PC, share files and keep your data secure. If you found this video is helpful, please give a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.